Welcome back to WealthCraft FX Academy, where traders are crafted into masters of the market. In today's lesson, we'll break down one of the most important concepts in price action, the difference between break of structure, also known as BS, and change of character, also known as CHOCH. Understanding these two will help you identify whether the market is continuing in its trend or preparing for a reversal. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to spot them and how to use them in your trading strategy. The difference between BS and change of character. Break of structure BS happens when price continues in the same trend direction and breaks the previous swing high in an uptrend or swing low in a downtrend. Now, the purpose of this BS, it confirms continuation in trend, or it confirms trend continuation. For example, in an uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows. When it breaks above a previous high or previous higher high, that's a break of structure, which signifies a continuation of that trend. In a downtrend, price makes lower lows and lower highs. When it breaks down or breaks below the previous lower low, that's a break of structure, but in a bearish continuation. Now, this is the key point. Break of structure, market is continuing in its existing direction. So to round this up, our break of structure simply means price want to continue in the previous direction that it was going. So it's going to break either the high or the low, retrace back, then break the previous high or previous low to continue the direction of that trend, right? So that is what break of structure signifies. Now, for change of character, a change of character happens when the market shifts from one trend to the opposite trend by breaking the previous structural level. Now, the purpose of change of character, it signals a potential trend reversal. For example, market is is in an uptrend, right? Creating higher highs and higher lows. If price suddenly breaks below previous higher low, that's a change of character, possible shift to bearish sides. Market is in a downtrend, which is making lower lows and lower highs. If price breaks a previous lower high, that's a change of character, possible shift to bullish sides or bullish. Now, this is the key point. Change of character, early sign of trend reversal. Break of structure, sign of continuation, but change of character, sign of reversal. So change of character, unlike break of structure, is telling you that the market wants to change direction, right? So that is the difference between break of structure and change of character. Now, this is a bullish example. The market on the green side here, you can see that the market was creating um higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? Now this is break of structure because after the previous high got broken, the market retraced back to break it again, to break the previous high again. So the previous high that got broken, when you see a structure like this, also know the market is making break of structure, which is a continuation in trend. Now this is a change of character reversal. The previous low, right? After creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, the previous low, right, higher low got broken. So when you see something like this, it tells you that the market wants to change direction. So the difference is that it breaks up, while here it invalidates the previous low. So when you see something like this, also know that the market wants to change direction. All right, so this is a bullish example. Now for the bearish example, we have this scenario where the market is making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, right? This is also a break of structure, right? BOS, which means a continuation in the downward move or downtrend, right? Now this is the previous low that got broken, right? Previous low got broken, and what we expect is that the market should come back a little more here, then we trace to break down this one again, right? But in this scenario, right, the market made higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now the previous lower high got broken, right? So when you see the previous lower high got broken, the markets want to change direction to an upside, an uptrend, right? So this signify possible change of character to an upside. So that is the difference between break of structure and change of character. Now let's go to the chart where I explain this. All right, so we're on the chart now. Let me explain this one more time. So, for instance, you're having this. This is a break, previous high, retracement, another break, higher high, and another break, higher high. So when you see something like this, when the market is making higher highs, okay, All right. So when the market is making higher highs and higher lows, respectively, right? By breaking the previous high, this is a break. This is a break. Um, this is also a break. This is also a break. And this is also a break. So when you see scenario like this in an uptrend, that means the market is making break of structure. When you see scenario like this, it simply means the market is making break of structure. This is an uptrend, right? This is a break of previous high, break of previous high, break of previous high. But whenever you see a scenario where this low gets broken, right? This low was not supposed to be broken. For the continuation of this market to be valid, this low, the last low of every high should not be broken, right? This is the low. When you see a scenario like this, when the market comes back, instead of the market to go up, what it does is that it broke the previous low, the last low. Now, this absolutely signifies change of character, right? Change of character, change of character. All right, so let me just put this on black. Let me put this on. Let me just hide it. Increase the text to 18. All right. So when you see a scenario like this, when you see a scenario like this, the market is telling you that change direction from bullish to bearish, right? So what you expect is that the market should do something like this and start creating break of structure back downwards. You understand? So what we start getting from here now is that the market has changed direction, giving us a break of structure to the downside, a break of structure to the downside, right? And whenever we get another change again, right? Well, let me see, we have this again, and we have this again. Where did the change happen again? The change happens here, right? Telling you that the market want to start going up again. Market want to start going up again. You can decide to do something like this and start going up again. So understanding the concept can actually give you an edge in the market where you know that the market wants to change from either being bullish to bearish. Now let's use this scenario for an example. All right. So let's just start from here. Now we have this market making um series of lower lows and lower highs. Now we have this market making series of lower lows, lower highs, right? Lower lows, lower highs, right? And we have this break. This break here actually happened here, right? You can see it. And we have the change of character. Now let me put this on 2px so you see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show you guys. Alright. Now see what happens here. Just see what happens here. Now we have this break. We have this high, lower high. We have this one, lower high. We have this one, lower high. Now I will tell you the difference between why this place was a sweep and not a break. Now whenever you see, let me move this. Okay, whenever you see the market sweeping a high with the wick, let me zoom in so you see what I'm saying. When you see the market sweeping any high or low with the wick, with just the wick, so this is called wick and this is called the body of the candle. When the market sweep any high or low with the wick, it is not regarded as break of structure or change of character. It is called liquidity sweep, which means for this zone to be valid or to be called change of character, right? The market must close with full body to close above this high to be regarded as a valid change of character or break of structure. But since it was just the week, it is called sweep of liquidity and not a change of character, right? So we got a sweep of liquidity here, and what we have back was a break. Let me just go back and put this back. Okay, all right. So we got the sweep of liquidity there, and what we had there back was a continuation in our previous trend, right? Now we have another break here. Now this is actually the last break that actually occurred. Now what happened here again? We have this high that was created. This high that was created This one was created, the last high was created, and this is the low that was created. Now from this place you can see what happens here. We have this high, we have this low, and this low got broken, making this one the last low, right? The last low that the market created before the change of character to the upside. You can see the change of character to the upside. So this now signifies change of character, change of character to the upside, right? So what we expect is that the market has changed direction. You should start looking for a buying opportunity, right? So what are we going to do now? For those of you that are into smart money content, what you are going to do, you look for your order block, right? This is actually our order block. The last bearish candle before the change of character. So you mark out your order block, um, right? And you wait for markets to come back to your order block and you take a buy entry from here. So this is how you take advantage of change of character, right? And you can target the previous high that was created, knowing that it's going to break this high, right? So you enter the market from here, and boom, this is a one to five weeks reward. Actually, 1 to 5 weeks reward, and boom, you got this sharp entry from here. And the market is going. Now you check now, the market now starts making continuation in trend, which is breaking previous high and respecting previous low, previous high, previous low respected. You see what I'm saying here? Another one, another scenario again. Previous high, higher high, right? And this is the low, got respected. So the market is going to keep making higher highs and higher lows until you get a change of character again. So this is how change of character basically work. I believe with this example you'll be able to understand how change of character works and how break of structure works. So this is actually designed for beginner series, and this is also called basic market structure. Right. So this is actually basic market structure. Basic market structure. All right, so this is actually basic market structure. So I'll, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, and I'll be dropping time to time. I'll be dropping beginner friendly videos like this up to advanced trading strategy. Right. So always turn on the notification, subscribe, and you can share my video if you want to. For today, we are done for this break of structure and change of character class.